I'm Aaron, and soma many cubes, soma little time to do them. Today we'll be taking a closer look at Dovetail Soma Cube. Okay, here we have Dovetail Soma Cube. This puzzle is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale, ranging from 5 to 10. This puzzle was designed and created by Oscar van Deventer, and he's doing a lot of 3D printing these days with this new filament he's found that has wood particulate. When I originally saw this, I thought it was actually wood, but as you can see, it's got all the grain from 3D printing. Now he's got his 3D printing down to an art as well. Like this, the fit up is amazing and it feels like wood. Like you would think this is wood, for sure. So the whole goal of this puzzle is to disassemble and reassemble this cube. And this cube, if you've, well, from the name, it has all the traditional Soma cube parts. But with a twist. This has all the dovetails in here, making this more difficult than just disassembling some blocks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.